Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on to my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make chicken salt. What? That's right, we're going to make chicken salt. So, be sure to grab a hold of that vine, good looking, so we can get cooking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because you remember I showed you how easy it was to make hickory salt and mesquite salt? Well, now I'm going to sit there and show you a hidden secret that Australia doesn't want the rest of the world to know. Well, guess what, Australia? I'm going to sit there and let the secret out, and I'm going to sit there and share with everybody out there, and I'm going to show you all how to make chicken salt. What? I know, chicken salt. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Now watch closely because you're going to be amazed. I have my little mixing dish out. Now you're going to be needing 6 tablespoons of salt. I might have to go up to a bigger bowl. I think I'm going to start off with a bigger bowl. Just to be safe. You never know. But you're going to be needing 6 tablespoons of salt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just made it. After the 6 cups, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of our chicken bouillon. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons paprika. 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 'And finally, the last thing, 1 teaspoon celery seed. And in the next few recipes that I have coming up, we're going to be using this chicken salt in. Now, I have a spoon out, and now we're going to give everything a very good mix. And also, I'm going to go grab one of my canning jars because that's where all this is going to be going in. But I'm going to continue to mix this all up. And next you'll be seeing me is when I'm putting it in the canning jar for my pantry. Now, here it all is. Put it in our almost 1 pint jar. And look at how beautiful that is. And look at the savings and how easy it was to make your very own Australia's hidden secret. Now it's not so secret anymore. Now, that's how easy it is to make your very own chicken salt. Now, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. I love hearing what each and every one of you all have to sit there and say. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? And please have a great day.